Alright, let us talk about nested tables. So we have two tables in this example. The first is Java, C++, Python, and then you have some numbers under it. Then we have a second table with 3 rows and 2 columns. And in each cell, we have a programming language. We can take this whole second table and insert it into a single cell in the first table. Let me show you how this is done. Now back to the code. We can see that we have the first table. Let's minimize that so we can properly see the second table. So you can see that we have a break statement to have a little space between the tables, and then the second table. That style attribute is to help us have the text to be blue. Just a little bit of fancy here. Of course, in this one we have 3 rows. Now, what I want to do is to insert this whole second table into a single cell. So this whole table here, I want to insert it in the position where 5 is. So we're going to copy the code for the whole table and replace the digit 5 with that whole code. That will insert the whole table in there. So what do? We can copy this whole code and then we go ahead to the table. We look for that particular table cell. That is the last column of the last row. Of course, before the footer. And we're going to paste the code between that table data. At the moment, because I have deleted 5, it's empty, but I'm going to paste the table code right there. Don't worry, I will share the code for you so that you can also copy and paste in case it gets too much for you. So now we have a whole table within the table data. This is called nested tables. This is nested within a cell of the actual table. And voila, this is how it looks. In the third column and the third row, you can see we have a table nested in there. So this is how nested tables are made in case you encounter this any day.